Customer loyalty is the long game in startup success. It's what drives repeat usage, referrals, and organic growth. In this lesson, we'll break down how to turn users into loyal fans and how to inspire them to advocate for your brand. The foundation of loyalty is delivering value consistently. If your product solves a real problem and keeps getting better, people will keep coming back. Make sure the experience is reliable, smooth, and improving. Every touchpoint should reinforce the idea that your product is worth sticking with. Next, listen closely. Feedback is a gift. When users give you suggestions or report bugs, they're showing they care. Respond with gratitude, fix what matters, and keep them in the loop. The more responsive and human your startup feels, the deeper the trust you'll build. Build emotional connection. Share your journey, your team, and your mission. People connect with people, not companies. Use your emails, social media, and content to tell real stories and show the people behind the product. This helps users feel like part of something bigger. Personalization strengthens loyalty. Use customer data to tailor experiences, messages, and offers. Celebrate milestones, like 1 year using your product or their first 10 logins. Even small gestures make users feel seen. Support plays a huge role too. Fast, helpful, and friendly responses can turn a bad moment into a loyal one. Go the extra mile. Check in after solving a problem. Make support feel like a conversation, not a process. Celebrate your users. Spotlight them in your blog or social posts. Ask for testimonials. Thank them publicly. When people feel appreciated, they stay and they share. Referral programs can also drive loyalty and advocacy. Offer rewards or perks when users bring in friends. But remember, people refer products they love, not just because of incentives. Make your core experience worthy of sharing first. Build a community. Whether it's a Facebook group, Slack channel, or event series, give users a space to connect with each other and your team. This turns your startup from a tool into a tribe. Community creates loyalty that lasts. Transparency matters. Let users know what you're building, what's changing, and what you've learned. Be open about mistakes and clear about your direction. When people feel included, they become invested. To measure loyalty, track things like Net Promoter Score (NPS), repeat usage, and customer lifetime value (LTV). These metrics help you spot trends, identify super users, and understand what keeps people coming back. Finally, invite your most loyal users to go deeper. Give them early access to features, ask for feedback on new ideas, or include them in your ambassador program. When users help shape your product, they become its biggest champions. Loyalty isn't bought, it's earned. Earn it by delivering value, showing care, and building real relationships. Do that, and you won't just keep customers, you'll grow with them. Let's make loyalty your superpower.